Hello students, today we are going to deal with chapter 8 of class 8, that is comparing quantities. We are going to solve problem number 4 from exercise 8.1. Let us read the problem. A football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? So, let us find out the solution of this problem. What is given here? Given is total number of matches won by the team is equal to 10 and win percentage is equal to 40. We have to find out how many total number of matches played by the team. For that, I am giving you, to solve this, I am giving you one hint. My hint is 40% of total matches is equal to 10. Now with this hint, is it possible for us to solve the problem? Let us solve it. When 40 matches are won by the team, total matches played by the team is equal to 100. So when 10 matches are won by the team, how many matches are played in total? Let us find it out. Let us consider this is equal to x. So how we can find out the value of x? We can find out the value of x just by cross multiplying it, and that is equal to 100 into 10 upon 40. So by solving this, we will get this is equal to 25. So the value is equal to 25. Hence, we can say that in all a team played 25 matches.